minute enonya first goal no Ediama Manchester United bobo kono ana yetitimua 45th plus 5 minutes no Anthony Martial Jadon Sancho enso man assist bi ono so ka bo no enso tumi ade to atenemo 78th minute no ena Abrante ni Marcus Rashford enya 4th minute goal no nemom say na 73rd minute no Bruno Fernandes enso penalty or share goal no at the Emma Manchester bobo kono sana 78th minute Abrante di at Marcus Rashford enso benya 4th goal na the Man United bobo kono 89th minute no ena Abrante and the Joao Felix assist by Hakim Ziyech one also enya consolation goal no at the Emma Chelsea bobo kono yanko Old Trafford them na goals no enso eba na yentie fele no sane yetiem Old Trafford.
But a lot of them aren't showing their true self. Rivals. But before then, making sure they're in what they need to get them into the Champions League leads Erik ten Hag to name the same team that got all three of Bournemouth. David De Gea, Golden Glove winner for the second time, kept his absence for the last couple through illness and injury. Becoming as manager, he seems to have settled on Kepa Arrizabalaga as his goalkeeper after a brief flirtation with Edouard Mendy. He's reverted to a back four after his omission from the England squad.
Sancho, I think the rest of the team looks pretty settled ahead of that.
As they are. Together with Martial. All the way across to Sancho and taken away from him by Cesar Azpilicueta.
Yeah.
Chukwuemeka. Lewis Hall has broken forward into space here and drives it across the Mudryk after the own wall. He's had real problems in front of goal for Chelsea as Mikhailo Mudryk, and that won't help.
Well, when you see these Chelsea players on the team sheet, these him, that's a big chance as well.
Eriksen who delivers. Casemiro! On the mark against them once more now. And he's leading the charge to a return to Europe's top table.
Well, quite predictable. He's excellent at that, Casemiro. He really is. It's a great delivery. He just wants it. Arm that's stretched out there that plays him on.
There's Jadon Sancho. He steps away from Bruno Fernandes.
Three times Manchester United players made.
Thirsty. Havertz across. Managed to shoot it well. Bruno Fernandes. Martial.
Four of them got that far too easily.
To carry. Chukwuemeka trying to avoid with it. It was from Casemiro, but it broke for Azpilicueta anyway. See what here with Anthony. It's Martial, and again the initial touch is what led to Manchester United down.
Yeah, I was looking at Anthony really close, thinking he's going to get his choice right.
Gallagher. Take on Luke Shaw. Over the cross! Another one missed from right in front of the Manchester United goal. This time, Kai Havertz culpable. Thinking here's Bruno Fernandes. He's gone down in the area. Stuart Atwell giving nothing for it. Was Chukwuemeka was shorted. Linking up with Havertz. Good point. Fernandes. Mudryk this time.
Oh my goodness. How many times have we seen that in the first half? That's such a certain type of finish when you receive it in a certain position.
And Ricky pulls this one back. Gallagher. It'll be 6 minutes of added time. Enzo Fernandez. For the Gallagher! And still they can't finish.
This time it wasn't a touch that let the Chelsea play headed that.
We'll be bringing it down off the shoulder. Always wants his players to get on the ball, dominate possession. Throw again. Sancho! It's not been the most convincing performance from Manchester United in this first half. It's a convincing scoreline now.
He scores the first goal, and it's a delicious little chip through. He talks about a lack of composure.
And to win this and so Old Trafford them Chelsea elusu edema Manchester United bobo kono kano beye and out Chelsea aso to me a team we back on and an open so ye dey to any memo jubede so ntibra Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 our Facebook na fe yentin koma huro ni na no enso ntumi enfema one pay Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 our Facebook YouTube no Okoman Radio 97.1 ni na no yentin koma huro no enso enfema na jubede na ba wie na after say game no eba wie no supporters ni bia kasa neti kan Manchester United supporter enso kasa ye after say game no eba wie yentie supporter yin komo
like they tried. Chelsea tried. We've played 6 at home, clean sheet. They stopped our 7th clean sheet at home. You know, it's a plus. They have been considering yellow card this and they managed to consider just 1 yellow card in 90 minutes. It's a plus. Before this game, they have 76 yellow card.
That's Chelsea.
Yeah, Chelsea with 3 red cards. They are the dirtiest team in Premier League this season. You know, it's a good one. I think there is one fact. Lampard has no reason being a manager. I pity Chelsea fans now. You can't play 9 games and lose 7 and you want to win Man U. That would be miraculous. But fact is this: if Man U fail to get that 1 point, the pressure will be on them on the last day against a Fulham. So we needed to kill the game, and we will kill the game. The only problem is that we played with 10 men, and even we were complete, we would have scored 6.
10 men how?
We played 10.
How now?
Then we had no striker, Mashana player. Chelsea fans they complain about who Lampard said and who knows that. My own be say I carry 10 men enter pitch. If I play what I play this second half, play Garnacho for me, play Sancho. Since this my guy is injured, play Sancho, strike Rashford, and wire them 6. You can't be creating half chances against a big team and you want to win games. It's not done anywhere. How come you have 14 shots? You can only fire 5 on target, and I have 20. I fire 9 on target. So 45%, you 30%, and you want to win match. It's not possible. So who are you with your child and your rival? You even come at the end of
Samahuru Chelsea United game never be no United supporters now. I be answer na yente Chelsea fans way.
Honest, I'm first of all a football fan before I'm a Chelsea fan. I'm very honest when I say good performance. Man U did well. They had a game plan and they executed it perfectly well, which was sit back, soak the pressure, and counter-attack Chelsea. So congrats to Man U on their Champions League qualification. I'm happy for them. But my God, Frank Lampard. How is Frank Lampard the manager of Chelsea Football Club? It is, people laugh about it, but I think there's actually politics going on underneath this whole football system, because there's no other reason why Lampard should be Chelsea manager apart from political reasons. I can't see. As a matter of fact, I will take it further. There's no reason why Lampard should be a coach of any Premier League team. At best, relegation.
The fact saying that Chaloba and Fofana now be the come closer smaller, be the possible future of Chelsea defense. How scary they say and they this back.
God forbid. Any Chelsea fan out there, I judge it for you. Chaloba and Fofana is not Chelsea's future. They are part of it, yes. Maybe as squad players. I don't think Fofana I can understand, because I think maybe I might be overreacting because it's just one performance. So
enjoy up to 130,000 naira in bonuses on your first deposit when you register on Party Pesa with our promo code FANSTRIBE.
Hey, and so I am come out so to me, of course, so no pay yet to and so to me, the man will Jubedian or 20 give no baby no Chelsea supporters no baby coach Frank James Lampard, and so on a fee Man United for so baby no so Masha dear Masha a Jumana Sam when you move. Let's see adwuma no wawie ode abawie ye so okọ na no so kokọ ye adwuma foforo edema club foforo no ye nsam a yefiri ode ye ba no penso ye ti ho ede ma yeguso eti nkongwa so ye de agodie mu nsam no enso etumi ade ye ma wa no pay e wo dwuma de nso na ma me fanto anim breaking news ayaba ye free Manchester United team no enso akache no eno se ene take over no ebeba so ebenya ba so se Glazer family no ebeto Man United boboko no edemo nipa foforo no saade na ebenya ba so na ni nyina ne se papa ni din enso di Sheikh Jassim no ene Glazer family no enso ade ne bid a wo bid ye no etumi ade atom £6 billion ene ni sika papa no enso atua anasa wa bid ede akwa equivalent to $7.39 billion. $7.39 billion. Eno sika say no papa ni din enso di Sheikh Jassim one so etumi abedi adako ede akoma Manchester United impenny for Glazer family no say team no moton a meto eti monjiska no na fe monton team no enso fama me ya say paperwork no omanya hye bibia ase encha no ombe finalize bibia na fe Glazer family no omo ere no etumi abawie ye Man United team na kache be say 18 years ni better United team them enso say impenyifo na say omo eye president omo ye owners edema Man United boboko no say abawie ya ne sa papa ni din edi Sheikh Jassim ena ono Africa no ono na say Man United team no ye ba be prapra kire kura di ama no na wabeso team nem na fe ono so abo team no ho bra eno aye nkomo efiri wode ye ba no pe no ye to ho de ma wo Erik ten Hag manager de Manchester United boboko no ten Hag akasa na ten Hag na in some trouble after central game na ba wie no ye bisa no say it's a say no United bobo kwana say mo si kwan pa no so mo so mo komani na tan say yes no kra omo right direction na mo mensi ye was say omutumi edu ba bia was say omo so epe no enti omo gusu e bu adwumaden say be Manchester United team no ese betumi akonkan Erik ten Hag on the right direction.
Comfortable here, and now at least, but I remember after the second game Brentford it was tough, but yeah, I think we construct a team is a good spirit. We work very good on the training pitch, and yeah, we get results. We improving, and I think we are in the right direction. And we know we are still not there where we want to be, but we are back in the Champions League. That was, I think, a really important step. We had to do it because if you want to be successful, you have to be in the Champions League.
Eric, you know what you're planning for now next.
I feel comfortable here, and
so coach Erik ten Hag ono Manchester United head coach no nitiro kwabu sakora man ene ono so den sama wuro de atugwa de afa Manchester team no so mo right direction enso emo na yesa bisa ten Hag say no team no be beefy up squad no was say u beefy up so wo Champions League no say yes omo here better players e dia kan team no enso ho better players and Manchester team no omo so here yentie coach Erik ten Hag.
But yeah, we want to compete for the title, but it has to be realistic, and you can first say when you have your squad in the end of the transfer window and also in the winter transfer window what you can do. The squad is there, then you can make a statement about if it's realistic or not. And yeah, now we are far away, so we have a lot of work to do. We make progress with this team and this squad, but yeah, we need better players.
They need better players. I know coach Erik ten Hag, Manchester United coach, no, and also I didn't some row. And ya to go on a pencil ye to home. And said to me, Diama would you median so now, young friend, young chromo, and so one sample from Etia. Now Jimmy Ragnar, also Akasa, now Nkoma walking nanom Nietikano, and so a coach and the day, to me at Mauricio Pochettino, as I say, while Baba for Chelsea, Jumano, and said to me, as coach, no, and now kasa de fa no se o he Mauricio Pochettino papa yi ba na wo ba no na se nya de obetumi aba bese Chelsea team no bia da oh Pochettino obebre enye ni manimu ya ena Pochettino eba no na otumi aba sesa Chelsea bobo no na sanse oyese na Chelsea team no say akwa na ano ya den enso tumi ade ama bobo no Graham Potter went to me Abraham de Frank Lampard wono so eba ya no wono so antumi anya adwuma no amfa ma Chelsea bobo no enti ebema coach ade den enso de Mauricio Pochettino obebrepa na sa we Chelsea supporter na ya so Mauricio Pochettino ba na wa ba no enimanimu ya no wono so eba bebo adwuma tenten de ma Chelsea dia according to coach papa ni de Jamie Redknapp no was so obi antumunda enya de Pochettino enimanimu ya no obetumi ateni Chelsea team no enso around ene yankoma efro nso etumi de eba na wakasa enso etumi de fa Mason Mount enso ho was won tinti yese Mason Mount abrante no ono so no ebesa ne contract no with Chelsea BM senior stage no we this stage no senior akwa na ebe den e de ma Chelsea for so betumi convince Mason Mount na waje atum asan contract enso etumi de ma boboko no.
It feels that it's been long drawn out, this contractual situation. So I feel if it was going to be done, it would have been done already, you know. And maybe. And the thing is, we haven't seen a lot of him on the pitch, so he's not like in a situation where he's scoring goals and he's proving it to the owners and to everybody concerned. So yeah, and I feel maybe they look at it and go, let's cash in while we can. But it might be one of those where there's every now and again as a player, I regret that, because sometimes out of sight, out of mind, you forget how good somebody is. You know, he's got tremendous work ethic. He's a joy. Every manager that seems to pick him, loves him. So it might be a case of someone's going to really get lucky with Mason Mount. He's a tremendous young player, and it'll be a shame because it just feels like he's maybe not had that respect at Chelsea that he could have got. And he is, one of the best. A few years ago, we were talking about him as one of the best young players in the world. Made a goal in the Champions League final. We thought, well, how would he be leaving in 2 or 3 years later? But that is football. But it's wherever he goes, he's going to be a great addition to their squad.
Way also and summer Jamie Redknapp answer the to go and a pay no yet to answer to me diamante on the Mason Mount store. Odin come out the fan home now. Yebisan says, we have big clubs, sir. Almost away England now. Omani the branch chipa Liverpool, Arsenal, Man United, sa clubs in no. I say Mason Mount, almost Abekano, and Jimmy Redknapp said. On your surprise, it's a clubs we no no. Edia Branton and Chase, so a young player, offensive bonum, and also animal.
Young player. I mean, he's got tremendous energy. He can score goals, make goals. Hasn't been his best season for a number of reasons, but I think that goes for a lot of Chelsea players this year that should have set higher standards. And I'm not surprised. It's not just Man United. It's Arsenal. It's pretty much every top side will want him. It will be interesting how much fee they can get for him because of his contract. He hasn't got long to go, and he's in a really strong position right now. But it's just a bit disappointing from my point of view. I like to see young players at clubs, and you can identify with them. And I think a lot of Chelsea fans are thinking, why are we letting him go? He's one of our own. He's one of the best that we've got. So it is strange from their point of view, and you can bring in so many players, but they don't identify with the club. I think he's always that link with the academy. Young players that are in that academy, 14, 15 years of age, will look at him as I want to be the next Mason Mount. So if he goes, it's actually quite sad for me because he's been such an important player for them, and he maybe wants to be rewarded like some of the big earners there, and I feel he deserves to be, because sometimes when players get bought in, they go straight to the top of the payroll, if you like, and that shouldn't be the case. For young players should get respect as well. And he's been, I think, Player of the Year the last 2 years at Chelsea. He deserves to be rewarded for that.
Way Jimmy Redknapp no come on so no na no kro no ana kasa de fa Eric Ten Hag and so also buy no Man United the Juma the papa no store. He's on course Ogusu a transform team no o hwe Juma sonko a o ba be ye Manchester boboko ni mu na yade e konkan ne modem no yade a e was Ogusu e perform ye e de boa Manchester boboko no.
Down. You have to be honest. I remember I was at the Brentford game. I was at the game, with Liverpool. Obviously, there's been some real crazy moments, but there's also been some brilliant moments. And I think that Man United fans have certainly got a manager they can hang their hat on. They haven't had for a long time. I think he looks like he's got the power of the club in terms of the fans that are with him. And I think you need that because so often it hasn't been the case. I think in giving more money in the summer, bringing the right players, there's no reason why they can't be a huge success and get back to the levels. It's going to be tough because you're taking on a team like Man City that look pretty unstoppable. But it doesn't feel like they need that much. They need a good striker. they're hard to find, but there's a couple that are out there. Obviously, Harry Kane has been mentioned, Okoman as well, who I really like, who's a great striker. So there are players out there, and if that could be the missing piece of the jigsaw. Declan Rice has been linked today, Mason Mount. So there are players that are out there that will certainly help the cause for Manchester United and get them to that next level, because that's one of the things that Manchester City have that other teams can't deal with. It's that squad depth that Man United and everybody just can't live without at times.
Eno Jimmy Ragnab ena wote no enka no nti wakasa wie amene no o kire dia Manchester coach and did ten hands ye top players na de man no e wo transfer window ni ma ogidi say papa no obetumi abadwuma denten enso tumi de ma Manchester bobo ko no ne o ye no e yade a esombo pa ne modemo no enso yade e wosoro eno e nkoma horo a ono so edi e de afa ye coach and de ten hands ho anopenso yete ho enso tumi de ma wo na o de wane chemo nsam foforo mu a Manchester United bobo kono bese 28 matches omabo wo home efie 28 games omabo wo fie no omo unbeaten in 28 games omo last 28 games omabo ewo Old Trafford no Manchester bobo kono unbeaten into 24 wins no manya out of last 28 games no omo winning 24 and omo draw 4 omo share goals no omo concede 63 goals and so 16 clean sheets and omo tumi aye and so our Old Trafford into afi Manchester omo last 28 games and so Old Trafford no omo tumi unbeaten obi antumi ankonkwahye omo and so ho dem draw and so tumi aka ho omo modern enya that victory no over Chelsea boboko na and openso yete ho and so tumi ade ama wenti right hand and na wagini jersey na waboni suit kama no je Old Trafford agopama no and so over Facebook ni na no zigi e dia to obo se coach no waboni suit kama and no so no age ni jersey no and wa show and so tumi ade akire United supporters say me na maba no me guso adwuma and so tumi ade Manchester club no and so Old Trafford inti ojina Old Trafford agopama so and no so abosit no and the jersey no etumi ade akire na Marcus Rashford Abrante no the records kakra and so ba na Abrante this season the modemo no ade atumi akwankan e the Man United bobo ko ne pa Marcus Rashford wo do na echemo e United team no enso mu a Abrante bia ne modemo no ade apeja e the ma bobo ko no na ono ba be first United player was 30 goals and so our season mo since say Abrante did the Robin van Persie and so 2012-2013 ono that record no in one season or say 30 goals plus and so to me my Manchester United Van Persie if we 2012-2013 no Man United player bia and so to me and share 30 goals in a season in all competition this season no Marcus Rashford ababa first United player after Robin van Persie so no so 30 goals in a season and the Manchester United bobo kono and no yan koma if we so to me dey ba no pen so yete ho and so to me dey ma wo yan fa ni enchiremo e won samfo from na yan hwe sane yete and so na Abrante did Ivan Toney one year striker dema Brentford oboboko no na no adam de to anim say English FA no enso tumi am Abrante ne ban e de free football mo say 8 months no ontwe no ho free football mo enya de obobbo ni na ne say English FA omo betting rules no Abrante ne tumi breachi entene no yama ne saban no na English Football Association no say omo so astate ne clear omo de resist enti no Abrante no mo man ne ban no enso tumi de aba you assume na tie ne pa enso fama me na wa made 16 bet on his own team 10 year ono akasa ni team Brentford no eno so no Okoman 16 bet eno tumi aboy enso omachi na 16 no o win him 15 different games enti Abrante no waya adwuma pa as a player na wo twa bet na the club twa bet 16 games and I want to try na o win him 15 in a different games ever home afetie 30 bet no on also try on his own team to lose in 7 different matches. Abrante no ono ankasa no heavy. Eba ne beta Ivan Toney. Wo twa bet papa. Enti 13 times and also twa bet or place bet also on his own team. And no olusu 7 different matches. And so na some matches ni na no wan bomu ba kokra. Some matches ni o place bet ni na no wan bomu ba kokra. enso ho enti no na uko BBC a ene no omo so atumi akirekire mu kama ede eye okwan a eye English F no enso afa so na abrante no omo de reasons no enso atumi aba bante yentie nchechemu ne kakra. Ya shana fe ya yini na enso atumi ade abana wa hunsani a nchechemu no enso atumi akoye enso atumi ade ya fa Ivan Toney enso ne nkomo no enso ehu.
Yeah, thank you very much, guys. Okay, we just want to bring you a bit more information about Ivan Toney's 8-month ban for breaching betting rules. Now, the Independent Regulatory Commission has now published written reasons regarding Ivan Toney's recent sanctions. We're going to break it down for you here. There were 232 breaches that were admitted by Toney. 126 bets were in respect of matches in a competition in which Mr. Toney's club had participated in or were eligible to participate in that particular season. So this is a statement and all the information released by this Independent Regulatory Commission. They say of those 126 bets, 29 bets or instructions to bet were in respect of the club that Mr. Toney was registered with or on loan with at the time. Now, these were the ones found to be the most serious by the FA. Of those 29 bets, there were 16 bets on Mr. Toney's own team to win 15 different matches. Mr. Toney played in 11 of these games and was an unused substitute in another game. Of those 29 bets, there were 13 bets on Mr. Toney's own team to lose in 7 different matches between, this was August 2017 and the 3rd of March 2018. Mr. Toney did not play in any of those matches where he placed bets against his loan club, as he was not in the match squad, or against his parent club as he was on loan. They say, though, of the 13 bets, 11 were against Newcastle whilst Mr. Toney was on loan at another club. The other 2 bets related to a game between Wigan versus Aston Villa while the player was on loan at Wigan, but he was not part of the squad. A further 15 of the 126 bets or instructions to bet were placed by Mr. Toney to score in 9 different matches, all of which he played in. All of those 15 bets or instructions to bet were initiated by Mr. Toney at a time when it would not have been public knowledge that he was starting or playing in the fixture. In addition, there were 6 bets on particular occurrences during a match not involving Mr. Toney. And the Commission have said they would have banned him for 15 months, but reduced this because he pleaded guilty, showed genuine remorse, and was diagnosed with a gambling addiction. Now, Brentford FC has received and accepted the written reasons outlined there by the Independent Regulatory Commission that handed Ivan Toney an 8-month ban from all football and football-related activity after he admitted breaches of these FA Rule E8 relating to placing bets on football. Now, the judgment has been published on the FA website. Ivan and Brentford FC accept that offences were committed and sanctions were inevitable. The Commission noted that none of the charges related to events where Ivan could...
yeah, Ivan Toney, come on, and so send it here, and no one pay no yeti nina home, and so to me, the Amawo, and what Jubediano, so into a Branton on Nasa, and no, and so, and no, nah, young concern from Ireland. And breaking records. Our English Premiership name the first season with Manchester City. Our EPL and so in the name by 36 goals there. Abranton to me said you got them now. We're breaking records. And so you be sad now the final records are breaking home. And then the first Manchester debut. What body tier Manchester United Bob Bokunina Fe when you hat trick. Our that game now. And so Abranton the Ellen Haaland.
I'm guessing, very, very special moment for you. A very special game. The Manchester Derby, 6-3. I mean, you became the first ever Premier League player to score 3 successive home game hat-tricks. Mm-hmm. We're going to focus on your second goal, though.
I knew I was going to score. I don't know why. It was such a perfect ball. It was a fantastic goal.
So, your away goal against Wolves, your second goal against Man United. What are you going to go for?
I have to put on the home goal against...
You're going to make a lot of Man City fans very happy with that. Okay, nice.
Eric Abanta ni de Allen Haaland na ote se wono so e de nsama horo e de tugwa e de funny games wono so etumi abo breaking records e de ma Manchester City boboku na no pay ye de mu nchemu na no enso etumi de ama wo e wo djube de no so nti ye guso tinkongwa so e de nsama horo ni na no enso etumi de eba enche mewura mu kakra e wo transfer window no enso mu na won sene a ene so ete na mom yenko nkwodi nkoma kakra enso wa Branton de Julius Kunde enso akache wono ye defender Adiyama FC Barcelona bobo no na oko Julius Kunde afamu a endra da me beto anim se Abrante no wadi kan aka se of free Barca no and se of Barca team no asem na mom se oma manam bo central defense wo be free team nim enso akosan se right back wadanya de no ne bojo so se obetena ho na wabo right back enso tumi de ma club ani de e de Barca na mom endra wase ya baba den sama wura beto abonten se wono no Barca boboko no na ni je ho wotena wo kwaso asia kan enso tumi de aba na Barcelona boboko o musa position na wo no won pede na mom still wono Julius Kunde no obetena Barca na wakwaso asia kan enso tumi de ma Barca boboko no eno ayen koma efiri wo e de eba na Andra Anthony e wo Man United akache no oprai game o ni Chelsea enso boy na first half ni mu a na Anthony enso pra wonya bo bi no yes o de fa ho ene Chaloba no mo ho na so omo kan ni mi ano ne tia ne na no enso so owo game no enso mu eno nam so ema wantumi anto game no enso so Anthony epra ama wa free Man United omo so ofri sa game ne mu na ma report eba enso ne se wan hye ya Manchester weekend game omo so ene fu ha mebebo no Abrante de ede Anthony enya de a wono so ebetumi agina gopaman so enso si aka ni bia de abo Manchester United boboko no eno yen koma eba and up a yet and so to me diamond and draft as so we need Chelsea 4-1 no Abrante the Anthony one so to me a pra and up so yet kakra and so to me diamond wo jube de so enti enom ayasa ne yete and so our honum na odu ani achirebo and so when some from Abrante the and so to me Casemiro wo guso so abo adwuma and Man United bobo go say this season we see Chelsea in prenu na we should go Casemiro this season we see Chelsea team no empemienu na empemienu ni na no wono Casemiro Abrante no wono so yade a we should go and so to me de ma bobo kwa de and so the Man United the Chelsea nti eno and so yen koma efru ade ba ebia so ni ti eno de show goals no and so to me the Chelsea nti Casemiro ne nkoma and so na no penso yete ho e de ma wo na odu ani achemo Chelsea bobo kwa so akati a eni Chelsea so ehye ese ombe wurom no makwa akfa Manuel Ugarte adenaba na ama bid for sa PSG Abrante away na ne Chelsea for hwe anim se papa ne beba na oba beba adwuma enso tumi adama Chelsea na onim se ukọ PSG na se eba no auction na ne modem no enso ade konkan e wo PSG team no akache na emom Chelsea for enso tumi abede for Abrante ya 60 million euros Chelsea team no asam de kofa Manuel Ugarte enso tumi de na ba no aba beba adwuma adama club ani de enso tumi ade Chelsea ntia no ene se ne yete na Theo Hernandez defender adama club ani de AC Milan oko AC Milan on left back enso no na ene Real Madrid the club no and afa Bayern Munich komu na no ehwe so mo sabetumi aka na mo club a wodi akire den pa no enso Bayern Munich ya so mo hwedim se Abrante de Theo Hernandez no wo mo nsan so betumi aka no onim se Alphonso Davies ne contract no ebe expire 2025 na Real Madrid so ehwe so mo nsan ebe ka Alphonso Davies e de free club and de Bayern Munich na no so aba besi akan e de ama Real Madrid bobo kunti Bayern so eko AC Milan eko akosha no so omusa betumi aka Theo Hernandez se ko basa Alphonso Davies enso be free Bayern club ni makọ Real Madrid dia eni omo so omo kwa kofa Theo Hernandez no so be wuram enso tumi de ama no eyen koma e France tumi de eba no penso yenti ho e de ama wo na Fabrizio Romano wa confirm de aba na enye no o se Real Madrid ni Jude Bellingham en komana du akire tie ni pa agreement no do final stage na final stage no sikani nie 100 million euros and Madrid for any Jude Bellingham and after Borussia Dortmund almost to me agree they say personal terms with Real Madrid between Madrid and Jude Bellingham no so personal terms need you agree in the month of April and a personal terms no agree ye enti April month nim and Real Madrid ni Jude Bellingham atena say enti nkoma say Mansa obeba Madrid abesi aka Branton so G2 mo sampa obeba na akase Dortmund and Real Madrid be wie and they say agreement no want to me the final stage na 100 million euros plus add-ons 100 million euros plus add-ons eti sikani bika 100 million euros no and then Madrid ediuram ewo BVB Borussia Dortmund akache Akuffo Jude Bellingham English international no so aba bebo adwuma enso tumi de ma club and dey enso tumi de Real Madrid enso ho no no penso meeting ho enso tumi de ma wo dwuma de enso ente no eya nkoma no se na esi ate enso ho no ma exclusive Abrante de Victor Osimhen Romelu Lukaku no and afa Avantoni Chelsea number 9 no omo assess it is say Chelsea for assess say place makum yensen hwan ona mon ko fanemra Romelu Lukaku Avantoni Victor Osimhen and the Chelsea for 3 players they ato esa sa 3 players no amo so ekọ na omo akọ chusu baako no aba besi akan e dey ma Chelsea boboko no eno eye nkoma eba enso yeti we dey ma na Angel Di Maria enso ne ametie ne say on renew the contract with Juve BM the contract with Juventus na eba wiye na Abrante no on renew BM eno eye nkoma metie enso tumi dey afru na Luis Enrique papa iso yase PSG adwuma no ne wo bon wom enti se ko ba se Jose Mourinho wamba na se enei omo penu coach aba na aba bebo adwuma enso tumi de ma club and de Paris Saint-Germain yase omo consider as a Luis Enrique and omo so ebewuram na omo kwa fan de na ba no nso bebo adwuma e de ma club and de enso tumi de Paris Saint-Germain no eyan koma meet enso tumi de ma wo na Crystal Palace told to leave Chelsea after Sabrante de Mudryk enso eba na eno eyan koma eba o yenti yase Mudryk eba ba kura no ene ya ka che Crystal Palace je say Abrante e wasa udi kan every Chelsea team no makọ o san say o she Mudryk yo pa na mo demo no enso ya de e wasoro pa Iniesta enso every vise Kobe bobo kono so emunti Abrante no on retire yo nemom wo free bobo kwani de vise Kobe enso akache na fe wa pe club from na wodi nani so akwachirem na wakwa kosi akanso tumi de amom no enso enkoma e ba na Manchester United say o ma bounce back in Champions League nti enye club ani dey and Newcastle kwa na say omo so ase awura mu Champions League nemo Man United so this time around no omo so ababetu omo so ababebu adwuma na so we yo for Champions League nima and openso yete ho enso tumi de ma wo dwuma de no enso so nti no enkoma horo e ba na Real Madrid epese omo include Eden Hazard na omo de no ko Tottenham akache ekofa Hurricane Eden ba Sadil we no ebe mu a ye behwe omo pese omo de Hazard ekasika ho Hazard pa 100 plus na Madrid de sika botin 100 ewura mu o Chelsea ko fa de Hazard ba ye na niam nko yes enti se omo pese omo de Hazard ekasika ho ekọ Tottenham Hotspur ekọ fa Hurricane enso to me de ne ba Real Madrid team nim na wono so ba besi akai e de ma club enso e de Real Madrid e no eyen koma e fro enso to me de e ba no penso yeto ho kakra enso to me de ma wo djube de no enso so ma won so hu se ne a enso enti ya no pen sama wro no na ye gu so tin kongwa so a ye piapia ne kakra enso to me de ma wo enso wo djube de so na won se ne a enso to me tie e wo ho no mo na Chelsea on last 6 games against Manchester City, Liverpool, Man United, Arsenal, no TNA, and Femame. On my last 6 games against Man City, Oma Lusu Chelsea last 6 games against Man City, Oma Lusu 6 games nina. Against Liverpool, Chelsea last 6 games, Oma draw 4 and Oma Lusu 2. Oma draw 4 and Lusu 2. And no against Manchester United. Chelsea last 6 games against United. Oma draw 5. Oma lose 1. Oma draw 5. And Oma lose 1 against Man United. Afei against Arsenal no. Chelsea a win 1. And Oma lose 5 against Arsenal. Inti last 6 games against some big teams. Makuma 9 way. 1 win per ana Chelsea enya eno ya against Arsenal eno munya that win no enso ho nti enkoma no sane ete no eno no anopesu yete ho ede ama wo na no team and I finish top 4 more often than Manchester United. Na club top 4 no what me wura mudodo no. Man United 27 times and that's 27 occasion. And United team no let me finish season almost wura mo top 4. Ni odio machi na Arsenal almost 22 occasions. And Arsenal so appear. And so our top 4 no. And so emu anopenso yete ho. And so to me dem a jumede so ma wan se ne a and so to me atia ewo ewonti enkoma no bebre no awachire edoso pa na emom ye de besi ya na yatwa ye ho aba na fe ya bewura mu ewo efiensam no na ene so ye de ato anim na wan se ne a etie na mo weekend we games ahoro enso ya de a ebeba so English Premiership no ye de besi weekend we ye wie EP no enso ewo eye England mountain so enye issue kra and so we England this this season EPL na me adoma Saturday Sunday and ye wie matches ni na 10 games no simultaneously and ye bebo sa matches no 3:30 gain na matches no etuetuela nti be 2 p.m. no sit down 2:30 na wuram say na tie Arsenal bebo Wolverhampton Wanderers, Aston Villa and Brighton and Hove Albion, Brentford and Manchester City, Chelsea, Ebesia Newcastle, Crystal Palace and Nottingham Forest bebo, Everton bebo Bournemouth, Leeds United ne Tottenham, Leicester City bebo West Ham, Man United bebo Fulham, Nafe Southampton and so ne Liverpool about simultaneously and a weekend way games ni na our English Premiership ni mo no and also yebebo La Liga, yebebo Serie A, Fresh League 1 matches ahoro and so ya dia ewe to me etutwa gu a nti French League 1 also and also weekend way 10 games no Saturday ye wie na simultaneously 7 p.m. and a French League 1 no and also ye wie Angers ne Troyes Clermont-Foot and so be Laurent Lens and AJ Bobo kwani di AC Ajaccio Lille Metropole ni Nantes Lyon bebo Reims Marseille and Brest Bobo kwani bebo na Montpellier and so any needs about Rennes Ebesia Monaco Strasbourg Ebebo PSG Toulouse and Ozil and so Ebebo simultaneously on Saturday 7 p.m. French League 1 and also a clear matches nina and for German Bundesliga Serie A La Liga and no more the matches no ye season no international weekend we yababo and so ewo hono na Ziggy ye birthday way through on afa me local stores no and so to me fan through on pay and so wojumade so Ziggy mama picture no ne etikan and so Madam Grace in the picture no for me na afa me ma birthday wish no fan through na ye sorry jumade so kama and fama etie fonte and pay happy birthday. And so enko enfa emma Grace Mensa we a teacher nim enso ewosu home Madam Grace Mensa happy birthday enfema oba adesua bia ewo PTC Akropong-Akuapem na menoa ne bofie kakran ti Madam Grace anopai happy birthday enso to me enko enfa emma we a teacher ni a also watchra de ewosu home nyame enya okese onto kwandam na fe oma usika no emra moho wan oma obemapa da bia miane de mesne okurumpa enso to me de amamo enti oma wo kunupa obarima obeto ase na owo sika obehyew na fe enkoyie enkwanfe no oma windin menti happy birthday confirm Madam Grace Mensa ogre anopa nyame shraw na onye okese pa so na another birthday wish enko enso enfa emma me baby girl me small girl me small picky na ababa wa ni din enso ede Emirate Jido Ohio ene eyo birthday happy birthday enso confirm Emirate Jido Ohio ene ya na wanya 1 year ena ubenya 1 year Emirate Jido Ohio Ziggy a small girl no wow for no to so na fe yem prechire ewo ho ti small girl no na o de no to so na ye wie ewo ho enti Emirate Jido Ohio Emerald Jido Ohio, happy birthday. And so enko emfa emma wom nyame ento nkwandem oma wunyi na also nyama nkoyie entumi emfema wo afei ena waba benya 1 year enti enena wanya 1 year no nyame ento nkwandem na onsanfa emfie no mohu enso entumi emfa enka ho we firi o maame no munyina ama de pa sanso ena efri wankasa wo papa Derek Ohio enso enchei ena umame nom wabusuafo nyina omo se ene edei omo we show happy birthday enso ewo dwumade no enso enti ababa wa udin ede Emerald yeah zigi mede bayo ade no abawa ha se onsa tumi aka wa hu enti o de mesia wo so de ma na later no ya hwe na ya wie ni bibia anso kama enso ho nti insuro why insuro o de mesia wo so ama na ya hu se ne ya be ni later enso e wo ho nti ebusuya ya fa haba na ya ba ya fe ya the local stores no enso tumi de aba na enso no won se ne enso etumi ya konti ya kwa de sande ya nim se washe ena ya de ewura musa na enso ya hu se ne ebetumi akọ enso ho nti washe ena ye de ewura mu na fe yakofa amane nsam no enso anase local stores no e de aba
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
Yemwe na fe yemfa efie nsam no enso ahoro no efemra na hu se ne ete enso nti once again happy birthday and confirm Emerald Jido Ohio abofani din ya mede idin ya mede papa Emerald Jido Ohio happy birthday and confirm ene na wunya 1 year abusuani na tawachi ama depa akono bia sanso ena wankasa wo papa Derek Ohio ena fei abusua na akani nyina Emerald omose omota wachi ena 1 year na wanya no nyame ntobo supa enguso na wo man fie no mo ensa mrambeka ho enso ntumi enfema na nyi beye nyankopɔ sonfo sa ate ase nyi na beye panyimpa enso enfema wabusua na wo ma enso ewa ate asofo asase so nti happy birthday and confirm Emerald Jido Ohio. Ye uram na fe ya den sama horo no enso tumi de aba e local stores no enso emu ene anopay e dwumade no enso so nti ma ye uram na fe ya hwe Ghana Premier League no match day 32 games ahoro enso ya de e beba so na wotwe ye wie ya enye fagiagro enso e wo ho no na odi wani kiremo e Ghana Premier League match day 32 a anopay ye hwe na fe ye yi fixtures no enso tumi de ama wo na ene shase ene enso e wo takwa emontenso a bobo kwa de enso etumi edi midiama omoso ebetena fie na omoso etumi ahwe anim se nkunimde no ebetumi akọ enso etumi edi amwa mutiene midiama e wo Akron Park no ombehia club nde de Kemfaisa na omodi abani ene 3 pm na sa game no e ba so wo chena enso 3 pm e wo Nana Ajima Bedu Park no Doma Ahinkro Aduana FC ebetena fie no ni Dreams FC bobo no enso etumi di abani na fe Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium no Tamale Cities enso sia FC 1996 Samates na amoso edi abani enso ewo Aliu Mahama Sports Stadium on Saturday and as a game no so ebeba so nti ochena no na fe ne Sunday no Ewak Agopama so Legon Cities ato Sadafre Glorious Accra to folk no money so Edia Bweni na Bibiani Dance Park no Go Stars enso ato Sam Edafre Kotoku Royals no so ni omo Edia Bo Golden City Park no Brekum Arsenals Boboko no omo so betena fie the Bibris omo ne enso atraman enso ebebo na fe Wafa Park e was so Gakope no on Sunday 3 p.m. Great Olympics enso ebeton sa Edafre Accra Lions Boboko no omo so Edia Bweni afe odwani chem e wo eye Sunday krano ano e wa Liu Mahama Sports Stadium RTU Real Tabala United almost so any Becham United Boboko no ebebo aninti eno a game between the two Uniteds and so our Liu Mahama Sports Stadium na fe on Monday ewa Babanyara Sports Stadium no Kumasi Asante Kotoko almost so any Karela United Boboko no enso to me Ediabweni eno a game ebetumi apaso our Ghana Premier League ni man pay and also yede emunche munyana etumi ede ema wo ewo dwumedie no so na wahu sene a and also etumi etie na yenko baby jet Asamoah Gyan akache Asamoah Gyan U16 championship no enche ebeba so abrante no nanu ada olanche ye enso ewo enkran na enye easy ohwa Asamoah Gyan na ne etumi abre wadikan aka ese Super Sports enso beyi ne matches no eye U16 championship no Super Sports ebe telecast matches no enyina na baby jet yentie ne nkoma kakra ene lunch no nsambra Facebook na ba baby jet Asamoah Gyan emra ono so eye lunch no enso ewo under 16 the tournament eba so ene swade hunti a ono so ede sa dwumade we ede eba no yentie baby jet Asamoah Gyan.
In a bid to discover the next generation of talents for African football, former Black Stars captain Asamoah Gyan has launched the Baby Jet Under-16 Africa Tournament in Ghana. The tournament will for the first time feature 32 teams from Ghana, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Benin, Togo and Cote d'Ivoire. Gyan explains the reason behind the expansion this time round.
I believe in grassroots football and the attention has been a bit low, so we're trying to give these young lads attention so that it can encourage them to do more, and this is why we are here, and hopefully we'll make sure we make it a successful one. We'll try as much as possible to help these young ones to achieve their dream. You know, there are a lot of football players who don't get this support anywhere, and then they end up doing different things, you know, ending up on the street, and we are trying to take people from the street. You know, we are trying to educate them. It's not necessarily about football itself. We are working with football, but we want to also educate them and make sure they get to where they want to get to in football.
And no, a baby jet Asamoah Gyan one also ne U16 and iswadun NTA one also edisa under 16 championship at the Abam across Africa for the first time 32 teams in a age and Asamoah Gyan under 16 tournament no and so yebenya clubs from Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Benin, Nigeria, Togo nom omu na ebe tumi aba na omo so aba beka Ghana ho na afei omo tumi a compete for one trophy nti baby jet ose ni so ade woni ne se omo nature talent no afei omo beyi youth no e dey free street no so na omo education, good education na omo san so dey football no and so tumi atete omo se be ya omo talent kito omo e wo ball bom no eni so ebe tumi akona nem baby jet ono so eni so ade ho eno no anopɛ no yete ho kakra etumi ade ama wa senia eno so etie dwumade no so nti anopɛ eno eye baby jet Asamoah Gyan bakot no eno so ne nkomo eno no a ye de emunchemu ade ema the Black Princesses of Ghana so akache odi wanye chemu a Ghana jinokwa no eye under 20 Girls Cup no wafu zombie tournament ekosom ewo Kumasi no nyame aduma Ghana bebo ne second game ochina against Omaya Ndin enso de Cote d'Ivoire na Black Princesses emanwa no oma plead for support achire there Kumasi man Ghana man nyina emra embetai omachi against Cote d'Ivoire nyame aduma ochina na nkunim no enconfirm the Black Princesses.
Ghana for Kumasi for Esram say Saturday Mombla Babayara Sports Stadium number supported Black Princesses. So they buy betimi ashe Cote d'Ivoire every say mama support here. Ana Edini into mama support here. So they buy betimi ashe Cote d'Ivoire na trophy so e buy o man Ghana dia.
Ose from Kumasi of female football. Please, you are urging all Kumasi to come in their numbers to support the Black Princesses of Ghana on this coming Saturday. Ghana versus Cote d'Ivoire. We need your support at 4 p.m. sharp. Thank you. Stronger
Together.
Stronger
Together.
Princesses.
Higher we go.
I know princesses and what is almost to me catch Ghana forces say no yamran betro support no into me enfama mo nyame ya domo a memenda watchna ewo Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium na nkunim no into me enkom enfama the Black Princesses of Ghana enom enkom no se ne yetia anopenso yeyi edi afri enso to me edi amount oba Facebook a obeba be hu se bibia so eda ho a Saturday 27th May 2023 and as a game no enso eba so Cote d'Ivoire versus Ghana ewo Babanyara Sports Stadium 4 p.m. and as a game no enso ebe to me abaso nti kai national so enso emfa emame ene anopay ewo jumedie no enso na yanko abrantande de Tariq Lamptey and also akache Black Stars player Tariq Lamptey na ne foundation no amonso kwa ya doye kese pa etumi e de aboa ama nioma etumi akonkan ewo jumedi ahoro a ono so edie enso emonti okọ Tariq Lamptey ono so na femu a ene foundation no amonso kwa ya doye pa 30th May ena sa doye yi enso eba so ewo aye Asaman Kese Methodist School Park 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Tariq Lamptey Foundation Black Stars Tariq Lamptey the foundation almost na one game ebeba so ewo Asaman Kese Methodist School Park Jean Kotoko enso versus Nana Kodie FC Jean Kotoko versus Nana Kodie FC Tariq Lamptey Foundation almost near omokwaye enso 30th year ebosumi ye mutika national so emfa emame ewo no na odwa no chiremu ewo Gold Stars akachi a bra Facebook bibie ni Gold Stars omo supporter ba kon papa yi ogware owo bathroom ogware na owu se top striker edima bibie ni Gold Stars abrantan de abedna go tete etwam ena ode ne hu ahuro ni nyina esetumi epie ye edi free bathroom ho na odita wo atwa na sen na fe oba bechi abedna go tete na obma na mo eda na sese adwuma denden na oye edema Gold Stars bobo kononti oba Facebook a yes zigidi ato zigi aye adwuma pa mo wabo adwuma eti zigidi ato Facebook ho oba ababa be hu se abedna go tete na bibia ni Gold Stars supporter ba ko wono ewo bathroom a wo gware no eno hu se player yi etwam ena ono so eba be chia no yentie yembie ntom na fie yentie feed ne kakra no bibianu Gold Stars striker abedna go tete ene the players na hu no and as supporters na hu no na one man our support Gold Stars team no o she bathroom ogware na ohu se abedna go tete etwemu ape odo so eye se wo bepie na ba be chia dinto de tawu twa na se ene ne hu ahuru ni nyina edo de ba be chia abedna go tete zigi safa to Facebook ne so ma mo ho ne hwe mu Philipi wa wunya mehwe no bra na be hwe supporter yi kira how a football tie odo football na uye players so now perform here and pempi no supporters eni so ejo ho pa enti oba Facebook a obeba be hu senia Abednego Tete ono so Go Star supporter pa ona our bathroom no hu se o twam no opie ye ede ne hu ahuru nyina eba be hia no na afi o chia no ne di nkomo na obo na baso papa panimu o enye say young boy enye say oyabofra papa panimu pa it tells you how football no Amanfo pe enso ewo kromo anti say oye adwumaden na oyero ho a ewo football ni mu a yeso no ye be boa pa ye be boaje so enso kama na atumi akonkan enso atumi e diamanti ye de no besi na fei maba Akuapem ha na ya be di nkoma ahoro enso wa ha ewo Eastern region ye pictures no and afei training grounds a teams no enso ehia na mo dey training baby teams no ebebo match no ye ba be di nkoma ti Izigi obema me bon right to play football academy omo videos no omo pictures no enso Facebook no so abusuya wutie me fa o smartphone se sia na ko Facebook udu won ma comment no membra na yendi nkomo enso enfama sesia videos ne pictures ahoro enso ekoso ewo Facebook na ye ma mbedi nkomo enso ntumi mfama ye ade yi enti ye behwe na yasen adi hu dwuma so biem enso atumi ade ama na wahu sene a enso etie na Akuapem anam no ye go so sere mpanyimfo ne se womo ma ye pictures a ye clubs no academy clubs na ewo kromu ano omo so benya enso tumi abo matches wo so south ase omo bre baby omo ye training omo bre pa enti yes rampanyifo ne se omo betumi abo ayen na omo awuram amayen one pitch at least mo de endu stadium standard kora na enye park aye be hu se o clubs no boss ball park nie ene ye de ama clubs no na omo so esi so akan afei ehodom no ye betumi ehun say yes mo boa football no e ma na ekonenim say clubs a ewo Akuapem anyina no enya de obia wo pitcher oti so akan clubs a ewo Akuapem ha obia ni pitch a wono so sisi akan obia ni baby a oye training baby omo ye training no park no a enya Sakora park a na so tutu bi sa omo bre teams ne bre pa ansana omanya baby enso atumi adi agro na oya sane a omobo ho aya anopa ibra Facebook na yenti nkoma horo no enso obra behye na we emobo pa ema obi a oye team ewo kromu ano se nyankopon anka no koma na se wanyere no ho anhye no ho den anka se obekoso a amie nani sane etie bia na obeye team a omo bebre anopei mamembo eye Akuapem school no headmaster eni mpanyifo ho no membo maba so se omatumi ede Akuapem school no park no edema Ofie Royals for yembo maba so pa se omama Ofie Royals baby a omo so beye training nempo kran se ba so bebo mu home matches bia omo friendly match bia ometumi enso abo enso honti anopei Akuapem school no headmaster any teacher for no any school for no PE teachers amoho munina yembo maba so bra Facebook live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 live on YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 me wo be Simanom Edu na fe me asore so na brabasha right to play soccer academy and as a football academy omo wadaw omo training grounds nie bra na basha babia emofra ni training when ye future players are omo besi akan dia man ye various national teams no emofra ye training wa hai ye under 17 wom ye benya players e ye fra under 15 mu ebi wo ho a omo bebo e wo under 20 under 23 ye benya black star players e wo emofra ye training ye mu ye benya players akopo kotokone has ye benya players wo mu a ye various clubs a ewo division 1 league ni the premiership ni mu no omekwa kobo bi wo ho but ene brabahwe oba brabahwe pitcher omusi so akan ewo dawo ha ya Akuapem ha brabahwe pitcher omusi so akan aha ena mofo ne training eye two teams ena wo so omo training academy near 2. One pitch. Academy near 2. And a town boys and so elbow ball and so a different side. And I say side enough for floor. Wait. Almost light aqua orange green. And I say light green no. Almost lemon green, yeah, lemon green no. FM no. No more Tottenham jersey top no. Right to play football academy. And a town boys no so na ball no one channel. Eti boys are almost free ukugwa town boys almost free ukugwa almost so ball e one chain. And about some free bi so she bru bi almost so what a chiro and also a different academy, different club, different team no. Almost so airball. Eti pack back on 3 teams and airball so ball. Pack back on. Eti ni amofra ne ya ne say omukwa small post sa no mbo. Na sa abofra wo de ne boss small post our pack we so pack na nkasa nu mu no kra no. E risky. Ade ma abofra no. Baby a wo bebo ball no akodu no. Na say na wo tete no pack we so a aha otobe pick injury. Esre no abofra betumi abobɔ ama wakotwa sere no obepra. Yempanyi fa mo wo area ha yesre mo. Kofodia Sports Stadium no yes omo ye kama in Eastern region ye hope say ye benya one big stadium but Akuapem ha ne de ye go so kasa mo man park. Those sports stadium private. Obi ne park o eno wa ye. Enyo man ne dia. And I no so was also they are renting team foforo. How they born the matches? Premiership club. What Ghana? And they are renting. No. It will be difficult, sir. Or did the South Park and Ebema Academia a work up myself omunkoye training was so and home matches. It is ramping for the say. Yeah, kada. The whole Akuapem ye ni one park I ebeka say. Yes, is wakan. Fit ye do chrome. And the basi kwesi aburi. Ye ni park wo babia ye beka say team say wo chrome ha no e be boso ball. Team say wo chrome ha be training. She baby omo ye training. She park no so. Zigi ma me picture na ball ne da ho. Ah ball no e ho asay no fe no ma me sa picture no beto Facebook no so. Na wo ye training wa ha. Abrantie atunu wesu wo so wo ye team. Abrantio watunu wesu wo so wo ye team. What the players and then Asamuejan kasa ya no moteye. Asamuejan say ye you to need the free street no so. Ye educate you ye quality education. Ni asanso the football no so asanso e dia momo na tumi aboa mo talent na peja. Hwe Akuapem Abrantio and also what team no. Oyo Akuapem ni. Coach every quo wabeti team ewa Akropong na sa Abrantie team na wo ye training no park bi so say ya hwe ball bra Facebook na behwe na ball no ho aye wait 3 days bi obeyi scatter ball because obo bakum yenu miensa pe ball no ho na asai enti da bi omoto ball sponsorship nso ni ho omo brand sponsorship omo ni sponsor bia. They find it difficult as long as sponsorship. Penny bianso ni krom ha, penny bia ni krom ha mbeka say omo be boa say mrantie. Ye din komo power kire. Na that production wey my yache ansa na neme de yeba. Mrantie omo ye right to play football academy wey. Mrantie omo ye no. Omo keka empanyimfu omo akom so wo Akuapem ha se omo fo musika meboa wo memeshem empo no mo fa nature talent efema ye no obi atwe no obi afi obi yinani hwe na we yam Abrante do na obebu na bam hwe ba bi obobo hwe park oboso ball na hwe baller omubo okoto fresh board okoto pack we so a shesta ya ball na ye bra Facebook na de bra be hye ha dwen pa yesere ye mpanyifo a mo waku apem a mo moa yen na ye mrante na bre youth na bre aha na nkasa adwuma ni ha o hwe kromu na nkasa na adwuma ni wo ana say football no eye business o he wodi sika wura mu pen ama obi atwa wadi a yesere mo say na ni obesi akono eye easy ofia royals ehia sponsorship omo hia se mpanyimfo be so masen right to play football academy omo hia sponsorship omo hia se mpanyimfo ebe sponsor om ebe so masen kakra eye mranti o youth ene ye se adwuma yi ozil academy hweba bi omo training omo de no kra de eya na emesere asa sabi o babia nkukwa ene bobo ho ozil academy ewa ebru ha yia o ebru ha yia yesra mo ebru park no bra mo de ma yen no atwam enti da bia ye bewie ene ye wie wo kira ye bewie adechia ye wie yes modua grass no wo so ama grass na afu tese ne ete ne de asa afu ane sa yeye aye twa so ebetu abobo nanso me nye sure say animanim yama wie because afera mo beye tartan tracks e wo ho dressing room ye nto aso ye enti contractor ofra gbe obo panyi bia ho mamu a gbe anto so mo baba kasa no ebru park no ye twa mo ache sese enu kwa ne park ye beka se ewo ho edima akuapem ebru park ene park ye beka se wo ho edima akuapem enti ye twa mo park no ye twan aha eye dawa ukugwa park ya u se right to play football academy omo ye training eye dawa ukugwa park sa presby school na ewo kwan no ho no sa park ni town boys bobo wo ho ana two academy enso eye training wo ho araho pa na se jabulani ani bram nom eye team sa coach eye team na se enei mo de omo fantiti ye we mu a enye mo abamu na mubu se Amanfo to mo players sika kese na omo ji sika edi no ye ma no ye person be ma omo abobo na sika bi be ba na Thomas Tepate wonu mu ya ma na busuya Mohammed Kudus obo Black Stars ana ya tenchen hwe TV ni abon sam yes Kudus say ya no mo shase ye nyamofra yiye ya ana mo ye abega nom training yo mo de ma mofra yiya no eno ana mo so ye ana mo di du ba bi o madu enti se ne ye mofra yi so wakuapem se ye mmoa wo ma akuapem so wo mpanyimfuo wo krom ha obia so wo de su ni de enti se we aboa football we boa say we boa boot kura mo fa no be hye kura bobo kura ye den we boa ama yesiesie pitch bi de ma o ma ankaye anye bia no on benya ba bia si akan hwe ne ball ho aye ball we ayero so a 1 month bi abeto ball boys yin so omusika pe anom de ye adwuma yi na sika no munya wen enti yesere mpanyifo momwa omo enti saade a aba din e wo kromu ha yesere ebru park no de ache panyi bi so a bibi wo nsam no omo ba wo nchen for mo a momwa wom na yese football na eye business football ye sika eni e de ye ye be nature talent no ni na e sha say the free say eti yesra mo momoa wom na entumi nko yie ye de be si da afro ye be to aso until say niema be ko yie no ye nja kanda ye fra mo so a eye ni ntina mo mfa yesre mo mfa nchechemu bia ye hia no mo mfa mayen na ye fra ma mo mfa nchechemu bia ye hia no ye fra ma na mo de mayen na ye hu because sanya nioma si e ko no team say wo krom an bre team sa fitia be say fitia du krom e de be sen anasa fitia apred mpo apred fitia apred e de be sen ko du aburi Akuapem ye ni pack ba kokora da bia ye tra haka na so bia du ho na mo every pack na ye no pack no guso da ho say say ko da mi hu contractor no wo so biem ye hu mo o ma ja pack na fu e da ho enti munya pack na fama teams na wa ha no munya baby mo na you Akuapem school e na ma ofie royal se pack na ni o mo be bobo wo so a aye training a anka boso bibia bisa coach Otobo because embosiem and omuye training enti bo enche na say enche na boot asay enche na omukons apapai ye ni say ya enya boys youth ni ebu o mabem e say the best na ya soro so and am in the paradise zigidi yanko Facebook na so ana pay ena ye den sama horo no de ba kasebo no e take over ye kom ye angel kasebo dem na fe yakofa news no enso etumi e de aba na ye wie pe na fe djumedi aka nyom betwetwamu na ebo no miensa aye D boy enso abetana se no so ato aso e de ama me din the pride ascribe